Hi guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. And in today's video we are going to be doing a what's in my bag. I will be carrying my Neverfull in the Damier Ebene pattern. I am actually headed to the airport in a few hours, and I wanted to show you all what I have in my bag. So typically, because I have to work, I can't carry too much in my bag, so I do have to take my laptop. Let me get the straps out of the way so I can show you. Let's hope that they stay bent back. Let me secure it in there. So first, on my D-ring, I have this little Ralph Lauren. It's like a coin pouch, but I use this for my phone cord for my charger. Okay. And then I have my electronics bag here. This is the Coach little case that I have. And I have my laptop charger in here. I have the cords that go to that. I have some pins in here. And my charger to my watch. Alright, so next I have my Coach wristlet. It's the double zip. It's the smaller size of the wristlet, and I'm using this as a makeup pouch. I have my carry-on makeup, or just my makeup I need to get to quickly in here. I have lip gloss. This is my Dior foundation down here. I have mascara. I have a compact mirror, some floss, and I have some little small perfume samples in there, just stuff that I would need immediately. Lip pencils. So nothing too crazy in there, just something I can get to really quickly and I can have at my fingertips while I'm on the plane. I love traveling with this because this does double. It does double duty as a wristlet when I go out. So if I go out for drinks with my husband or with my friends, I can always take this wristlet instead of carrying like an extra a purse. So I have that sitting in there. I do have an organizer in here. Right here is just a notebook. We are taking our daughter, and so she always wants something to scribble on, write on when she's in the car with me. So I just have a notebook that I was using for my classes. I've since finished my classes, but I still have some pages in here, so I just let her write on that. And then I have my extra heavy brick laptop here. I'm not going to pull that out because it is just too heavy and too hard to get back in there. And then I have some wipes here. Travel pack wipes to wipe down anything that my daughter is going to touch or eat on. And then I have some spray here. This is my travel spray. I only take this spray with me when I go travel. This is the Body Fantasy. It's like a little spray, little freshener spray. Usually when I go into the bathroom and I have to use the bathroom, I always take this with me as a backup just in case. So I always travel with it. In the pocket, I have this little pouch, and in here I have some bracelets in case I go out. I have my Coach bracelet here. And I have just another little cheapy little bracelet here to go with it, just to kind of layer up my jewelry. Alright. So here is my bag, overall contents of it. I'll put this back in this pocket. The insert is just one that I ordered off of Amazon. I don't recall the brand. I'll put it in the description box if I can find what the brand of it is. So because I have to carry this again, this bag can get pretty heavy, and so I have to go really light. I would normally have my toiletry pouches in here with my makeup or with things in that, but I just had to reduce some of the weight on this bag, so I'm really only carrying what I need. So But here's my what's in my bag. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.